In this video, we will solve a linked list cycle problem. It's a LeetCode 141. Let's look at the description. So, given a linked list, determine if it has a cycle in it. So yeah, this is poorly written, so we're not even trying to read this. So let's look at the example. Okay, so we have a linked list, and because -4 node points back to 2, we have this endless cycle. Right? If -4 would be pointing to null, we would return false, so we don't have a cycle. Right? So here we also have a cycle, and one points to null, so we don't have a cycle. Okay, so let's look. Yeah, I think. Okay, so follow up. Can you solve it using O of 1 constant memory? Okay, so yeah, we can do it both in O of n and O of 1 memory. So the first solution would be to use sets. So let's have linked list with a cycle. So 1 points to 2, 2 points to 3, 3 points to 4, and 4 points back to 2. Okay, so we will have one pointer, and every time we will visit a node, we will check if this current node is inside a hash set. We will call this hash set synums. Okay, so is 1 inside our hash set? It's not. Let's just add it there. Okay, move the pointer forward. 2 is 2 inside our hash set? It's not. Let's add it there. Now we're at node 3. 3 is also not in the hash set. Let's add it there. Move the pointer. We're at 4. We haven't visited 4, so let's just add it to the hash set. Okay, and now we move back to 2. We check if 2 is inside our hash set. It is, right? And we return true from our function. We found the cycle, right? Okay, so let's look at time space complexity for this solution. So time is O of n, because we are traversing every node. These linked links, okay, and space is also O of n, because we are adding nodes to the hash set. Okay, please pause this video and try to code the solution yourself. Cool, let's do it together. Okay, so first we initialize set, right? Okay, and then we just we have current pointer. Let's initialize it to the current head. So while we have current, right, we will just check if this current node is already inside hash set, and if it does, we return true. So because we found our cycle, right? If not, we add current to the synums hash set, right? And we advance current, right? And if this doesn't find a cycle, right, we just return false. haven't found the cycle. Okay. So this worked. So this is our first solution. Let's look at the next solution, which will be better in terms of space complexity. Right? This is O of n. Let's look at another example, right? Okay. We could do this using 2 pointers. So we will have a slow pointer. Oops. So slow pointer, let's just move here. Okay, and a fast pointer. Oops. Okay. Both of them points to the same node at the beginning, right? And what we will be doing in this solution is just move fast pointer twice as fast as the slow pointer, right? So first we move fast, right? This is the beginning, and then we move twice as fast each iteration. So slow moves 1 and fast moves 2 nodes, right? And eventually, if linked list has a cycle, slow and fast will overlap, and both of those pointers will point to the same node. And if this happens, we just return true. Right? Okay. So let's talk about time space complexity. So time complexity is O of n. We're traversing every node, and space. Space complexity is actually much better than the previous solution. It's O of 1. We have just a couple of pointers. Okay, now pause this video and try to code up the solution yourself. Okay, let's do it together. Okay, so we have slow pointer points to head. Fast pointer also points to head. Let's say that if there's no head, or next, we just return false. So there's no cycle, right? Now, of course, needs to traverse advanced fast pointer. Next, while fast. So we advance slow pointer. And fast. If we have fast pointer, it's not already null, we advance fast pointer one more time. So in this loop, slow goes it's advanced 1 time and fast 2 times. Okay. If we don't find our cycle here, then we just we need to of course check if slow equals to fast, just return true. So we found the cycle. If this doesn't find the cycle, so we're at the end of the list, we just return false. We haven't found a cycle, so this linked list does not have a cycle. Okay, so this is it. I hope this helped. Till next time. Bye.